Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. And today I'm going to show you how I made these easy biscuits. Anybody can make it. Just 3 ingredients just to make these simple biscuits. Follow along and I will show you how I made it. 2 cups of self-rising flour. Next you want 3 tablespoons of shortening or butter flavor shortening. I'd use butter flavor. Next you want to take your whisk, if you don't have a dough paste and you want to kind of match it in here. I'm going to put it down until I come back. But you want 1 cup of milk. Stir this real good. Come back in a few minutes. Need a biscuit cutter to cut it out, and we're going to do this whole batter just like this. I'll show you in the oven. What you want to do is you want to brush the tops just a little bit with a little bit of butter and also some egg wash. This will help brown in the top, but also give a little bit of flavor of the butter. We are finally done here. We're going to do a taste test on one of these. These are beautiful biscuits. Alright, we'll start with this big one. Look how fluffy that is. Anyway, now we're not going to try to take all apart, but well, so delicious. Very delicious. Anyways, I want to appreciate y'all for watching me, and I will leave the description down below on how to make these. They're very easy, few ingredients. Subscribe to my channel, and if you do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you get all the notifications to my videos. And I have quite a bit of videos, quality videos. Anyways, y'all have a wonderful day.